Hey everyone. So I'm actually refilming the beginning of this video that you're about to watch because I accidentally deleted the beginning of it when I filmed it the first time. Happens to the best of us sometimes. So, relatively quick video. This is all really easy stuff. But again, it's stuff that's getting done. It's progress on the car, so it's nice to see. It's just covering the installation of the new armrest pad along with the little plastic repair piece in the bottom so it'll actually latch, and the speaker grille installation on the door panels. It's really easy. The installation on the door panels kind of gave me a little bit of trouble, basically just because the door panels are old. They've been wet before, I'm sure, and they're a little misshapen. So I'm thinking pretty soon I am going to put new boards inside the door panels. You know, you go to LMR, wherever they have them, you get the new boards for them, punch out everything, stick them in the door panel. Shouldn't be that hard. I've seen a couple videos on it. Looks to be pretty easy. So anyway, that's probably going to happen in the near future here, but in the meantime, check this out. So I already took the old pad and plastic piece off. It's real easy to do. There's 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. They're just Phillips head screws. You take those out. I take out the bottom ones first, and then it just slides right off of the hinge here, and then take the top one off and the pad comes off. So just kind of reverse that. The only difference is here is that these little nubules need to go on, and they are quite a pain to get on. I got one of them. They're even a pain to get out of these little plastic friggin' things that they put them in. I don't know. Okay, so what I did is they've got, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that very well. They've got like a rectangular shape to them, to the bottom. So I'm just sliding that in, and then I guess I kind of pushed it through a little bit on the last one, and then pulled it up with some pliers. What I'm gonna do here, try not to damage it. I got a little thing, excuse me. I'm just gonna try to push it in. Keep your fingers out of the way if you're gonna do this, because that needle is gonna poke through. You don't want that in the back of your, or in the front of your finger. Man, these. Good news is, once you get these in, you don't have to do it again for a while, at least. Ow! Yep, see, poked myself in the thumb. Okay, well, I'm gonna get this thing in, and then I'm gonna come back to how to put it together. I'll tell you the best way to put it in once I figure it out. I don't know when that's going to be, if ever. So I'll get back to you. Okay. So, finally got this thing in. It just took a few more minutes. Honestly, the way that I found is just to wrestle with it. Get one side in. You'll see what I'm talking about when you get this thing. And actually, you can see it. Right there, those little rectangular things. You just got to wrestle one side in. I put a little bit of water on it to help it slide, and then ended up taking this little screwdriver, getting that one side jammed in there as far down in there as I could, and then just pushing this thing the rest of the way through. It only takes a few minutes, but sometimes it's the little things, right? So anyway, then all you're gonna do, take your screws in the reverse order from what you did before. I put the 2 screws in the top here loosely, and then just sit it on that hinge deal, and then pop the other ones in. No big friggin' deal. So there you go. There it is, right there. Yeah. There you go. Simple as that. Piece of cake. Looks good. We're there. So, yeah, that's all. Really easy. You might have to bend your brackets back a little bit if that thing has been sliding around on there, but no big deal. So, okay, next up on the list is the speaker grill for the door panel. Now, this is real easy, guys. There's 4 holes, I believe 4. Yep, 4 holes in the door panel. You push the speaker grill, oops, you push it through like this. Oh, and it doesn't want to pop through that second hole. Let's see if I can fit it here. There we go. There we go. Okay, so I got it through 2 of the holes. I'm gonna flip it over. Now this door panel on this side is not great. Let's see here. So let's get that in there. Okay, so basically what you're gonna do, why isn't that one going through? Oh, there it is. Okay. So we have all of our 4 holes in there. Now these door panels are warped. They got wet at some point. This whole rigmarole right here, I'm probably just gonna take that out because it's all kinds of messed up. So then all you're gonna do, when these door panels are warped like this, guys, I mean, it looks okay, but it's really in bad shape. So then they give you these little circular clips. So you just take these and push them on down under those plastic pins, and that's going to hold it in place. And luckily these pins fit, or these plastic clips fit really well over the pins. You might have to fight it a little bit, because these old door panels, let me tell you. Okay, there we go. And, oh shit, I just dropped all those. Oh well, I'll find them. And that's done. It'll straighten out once it's on the door. Oh gosh, I'm not even holding it so you can see it. Yeah, so that's it right there. Piece of cake to put those in. You put the screw through the door, put everything else up on the door, and you're good to go. So that about does it for these parts that I just got today. I'll be doing the carpet in the main part of the cabin, and finalizing the carpet in the hatch. Most of it's real easy. You just got to connect it to those back seat things. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.